Hello, Irish Kevin here. I'm going to do some different trials of snap caps in 3 varieties. First up is 380 from Angeebin, or is it Angeebin? There's like a long thing. Never mind. So these are all silver, and the tips are metal. The shell is metal. On the bottom, where the firing pin hits, is rubber, and Angeebin is cool enough to give you these replacements for when they wear out. But first, before we get started, we want to show clear. So let's load her up. There's a coincidental Rush tribute happening right now. So these are all silver looking, and there's a hole in the bottom of the shell, and according to Angeebin, that's to never ever ever confuse them with real ammo, so you'll know the difference. Now that the snap caps are loaded into the firearm, we're just going to pull the slide and eject them and see how it goes. Looks like one got jammed up in here, and good. It's scarily good. So as you can see, we have a little bit of hang up here, and I think that's really because of that I'm not pulling the slide back hard enough. So I'm going to go with operator error on this. So we're going to do just a couple of more tries and see if we can get better results. Round 2. Okay, pay attention right here. See that? That's why you use snap caps while practicing, because there was another one in the chamber. I did the right thing when I just tested to make sure I was clear, but then boom, there was one extra. This set has a defect. Look at the one on the left. The safety hole is obstructed with something. I'm not too concerned, because it doesn't mess with the functionality. One more time. This round went perfectly. So the verdict, I'm going to keep the snap caps. Next up, Tipton snap caps. Now these are a little different. They are plastic, metal on the back. There's a spring inside. But first, before we get started, we want to show clear. Also showing from the magazine well. So let's load these up and check them out. So first round, I'm just going to pull the slide and unload them. And as you see, the last one didn't want to eject. Round 2. As you see, same results. That last one just didn't want to come out. So I'm going to go with that is I'm not pulling back on the slide hard enough, or there's probably just something about that last one. So let's take a look at these. These snap caps are metal on the bottom, and the rest is plastic. Check out the spring inside. That is connected to the primer. This cap shows that the firing pin is just a bit off center. But I don't have any problems with my firearm, so I'm not going to really worry about that. Functionality-wise, they work just fine in my firearm, so I can say I recommend these. It is time for the 30-06. This is an M1 Garand. Now I'm putting two different kind of snap caps in this particular rifle. First set, I should say, is the Angeebin 30-06. There's only 6 of those, so I decided to get the 2-pack of Azoom, put them all together, see which ones I like better, but they will all fit into the end block. So, here we go. Okay, first round, I'm just going to eject. This did not eject. I believe that's operator error because I didn't let the bolt carrier go all the way forward. The ejector did not pull the round out, so basically we just have to fix that. Round 2, now I'm going to fire and then eject. Oh, this is not good. I can't pull it back. I'm pulling on it pretty hard. Hold on, I'll be right back. I might have to take the whole bottom out. I hope not. Okay, we're back. I just had to pull on it a little harder. Seems to be working very well. And ping! All right, so let's talk about the actual snap caps. I think what may have happened on the first round of, just eject, is the snap caps, the Angeebins come, they're 2-part. You can unscrew this, the black projectile part, and that's probably so that you can replace them. Now, after just two cycles of the Azoom, they're already scratched up. I'm not sure if that's from the rifle or from hitting the cement garage floor. So that's something to consider. So here we are at the end of the day. These snap caps do their job, and therefore I like them and I'm going to keep them. And now let's go to the email. Email from England. Dominic writes, "Hey mate, what does your t-shirt say? All I can see is 30-06. Well, Dominic, I'm so glad you asked, because here's what it says. 30-06, because rocks are ineffective at 700 meters.